The management factor that was responsible for McAfee's software problem is their unclear chain of command, which caused the management didn't even notice about the small error of judgment which has resulted in such a big mistake to McAfee. Besides, they should inform their customers, such as issue a warning before deleting the virus, instead of disposing the file automatically. As a truly global company, the management shall plan well and have a precise consideration before taking an action.
There are two organization factors that cause the software problem. One of them is rules set in business processes of McAfee Enterprise. Rules that predetermine the process that every new update or software should go through has not been strictly applied on the employees. If tight rules were set that every update or software they are going to launch need to run through a thorough checkup, all this will be preventable. McAfee carries an organizational culture of solving problems last minute. When the faulty updates cause computers to crash, only the workers scramble to find solutions to the problem. If McAfee's workers were to stand by and prepare any immediate solution if an update causes problem to computers, then all this blame about McAfee and its inefficiency will not happen.
The technology factor that were responsible for McAfee's software problem probably will be their not well-equipped application program. It's possible that their program used to analyze and process data is not well designed, which can cause flaws in the process of analyzing their software. Besides that, their extranet might be another factor that causes the problem. Due to their failure in interacting with their client feedback or complaint as soon as possible, this has caused a slow response to the problem.
The business impacts are: McAfee lost customer loyalty as a single slip-up or oversight of the company has caused significant damage to its reputation. The company has been criticized for its slow response to the crisis and for its initial attempts to downplay the issue's impact on its customer. And for customers, those who are using Windows XP Service Pack 3 have their systems crash, fail to reboot, and totally not functioning. Customers were powerless to act as their systems were losing their network capabilities and worst of all, their ability to detect USB drives, which is the only way in fixing affected computers. Companies using McAfee and that relied heavily on Windows XP struggled to cope with the majority of their machines failing suddenly, which in turn result in stop production of goods and services and delay in supply chain.
McAfee's response to the problem is considered to be very slow. Up to millions of computers worldwide which were running on Windows XP Service Pack 3 were affected by the daily update on 21st April 2010. McAfee should rectify the problem as soon as the first computer faces the problem and not to wait until millions of computers crippled by the faulty update. If the malfunction of the update is detected earlier, lesser computers will be exposed to the damage. McAfee support websites were responding slowly and were down at times, likely due to the increased load caused by this issue. The first response by McAfee was removing the faulty update. A repair is made available to McAfee's users which were affected by the faulty update. Though, the repair requires a high level of manual input and technical skills, and this is challenging for large corporate clients who may have a significant numbers of computers affected. Despite the first update, some have complained that it was still unable to solve the problem as more critical files were infected and not only the svc host.exe file, which is a crucial window file. McAfee should have constantly review and upgrade their repair so that it can completely fix the problem and not only to wait for complaints from consumers.
McAfee should improve their system quality and reliability to avoid similar problems in the future. McAfee can employ software metrics to measure the performance and identify problems jointly with their information system department and clients. With this metric software, they will be able to know the numbers of bugs, online response time, and other information of their antivirus software. To successfully run this metric software, they must carefully design and use it consistently. Other than that, McAfee should run all possible tests to their software on all versions of operating system before they release a new update or new version. Besides that, McAfee can set up a team as the walkthrough to review the specification or design of their antivirus. The walkthrough will review their program coding and run some tests with computer. If error is found, they must immediately diagnose it or eliminate it through debugging. We recommend that they should set up a 24/7 professional standby team for any emergency software repair if the update made by McAfee crippled the computers again. Then, they should consistently review the solution provided to malfunction updates so that it can remove the problem once and for all. Furthermore, they can request feedback from their clients for further improvement or update.